We are back with some more Minecraft.
What are you going to build me tonight, young man?
If you're wondering why we ain't made the videos for a while, I forgot to turn on the microphone last time.
Shall we make a... Can't remember. What shall we make?
Bowling?
Oh, bowling alley. Let's go for a bowling
What do you want
alley.
it to be made out of? Any of these?
A nice...
Like a mix of two?
Go on, mix it.
Is it gonna... What is it gonna be like... What pattern is it gonna be in? Like sort of like is it gonna be like... This? Or that? If you, do you get what I mean?
Oh, that one. That one.
Okay. So...
We only need 2 lanes, we don't do we?
This village is mainly for you.
Yeah.
And your friends. It nice to be a bit of detail.
No, I've got my glasses on, don't need them. So, looking very good.
There you go.
Very, very nice. Don't think twice, it's very, very nice. So in this bowling alley, there's going to be 2 lanes.
It's only for you and your friend. You don't need to have much detail. The detail is good, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, detail's good, yeah, definitely good. Always good. You just don't need to have, like, if you went into a proper bowling alley, it'd be like about 20 lanes, wouldn't it? We just need 2. Well, that's nice.
Do you want the doors to match like the walls?
Yeah.
So, what do you want the floor to be?
It could be just normal because the majority of the floor is going to be covered by the lanes, so it doesn't really matter, does it?
Blackstone?
Yeah,
Blackstone bricks?
Yeah, that'll do. Yep. The door? The floor?
So, okay.
Yep.
So we've...
Yep. Looking good.
And the...
Oh, do you know what we must do next time?
What?
Sort the aeroplane out.
Well, the airplane... We haven't got much use to the airplane yet, have we?
No, we haven't.
There you go.
Lovely. There you go.
Now... We can have lots of them over here.
Yeah. Ready?
So... That's basically here done, really.
Oh, looking good, looking good.
Just make this a bit taller.
Yeah. The doors. Okay. You need a sign outside. Don't forget the sign.
So the bowling ball.
And
We did them.
And of course, no roof.
Bowling world.
That'll do. Yep.
Bowling world.
Yep.
Bowling alley.
Okay.
What's the roof going to be? I'll give you one.
You what? You're gonna give me a roof? Brown. These ones probably is more than do just normal.
I'll make it later.
Of course you will. After it stops raining.
So, what could be hidden here?
Oh, what could be hidden here?
What is it?
No, what is it?
See this? See, some of the floor looks different from the others.
Yes.
We can go into a secret room in the gym.
My house has got a roof.
Story!
Story? What's the story?
A story of the world. Well, actually, not really. I just thought it'd be cool to add this in, but...
Wow.
That was a wonderful video.
That was. Next time he says there'll be a roof on the gym. Oh, sorry, bowling alley. Not too sure myself, but anyway, Gran out.